Welcome foam crafters, makers, and artists. This video will show you how to operate the cordless industrial hot knife. Your order should include the following items: the hot knife, a rechargeable battery, battery charger, 6-inch cutting blade, Allen wrench for attaching the blade, and a cleaning brush. To set up the hot knife, first remove the blade from its protective case, then make sure the screws on the blade holder are loose. Slide the blade into the holder as far as it'll go. Once the blade's in, tighten the screws to lock it in place. Be sure to attach the battery after installing the blade. Note, this hot knife is not compatible with hand drill batteries. To operate the hot knife, first adjust the temperature dial to the desired setting. The longer the line on the dial, the higher the cutting temperature. Hold the trigger down in order to heat up the blade. The blade should be hot enough to cut through foam within a few seconds. Be sure to keep your cutting blade clean to prevent possible malfunctions from melted foam. We recommend having a paper towel on hand that you can use to wipe off the melted foam as you're working on your project. Make sure you have enough paper towels so that your hand doesn't come in contact with the blade and accidentally burn your skin. The provided brush can be used to clean off dried melted foam after the blade is cooled down. To recharge the battery, remove it from the hot knife and plug the charge cable into the port on the top side. The light on the transformer should turn orange-red. Once it turns green, the battery is fully charged. And that's how to operate the cordless industrial hot knife. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@hwff.com or call at 1-866-735-9255. And remember, if you can imagine it, you can make it.